The first item in the business layer is the domain layer. So what is a domain? The domain model is your organized and structured knowledge of the problem. The domain model should represent the vocabulary and key concepts of the problem domain, and it should identify the relationships among all of the entities within the scope of the domain. So if the domain is the world of the business and the model is your solution, so that is the domain model. So let us now see what all it contains in the project. So the first part is our domain models. So this contains the actual domain model that you want to represent the business domain. Then we have mappers. The mappers contain the configuration information. It uses the auto mapper and contains the configuration information of mapping an input or output API model with the domain. So basically whenever any insert or update happens, so we use an API model from in the data model. So that input API model is mapped to the domain model using the mappers. And then we have queries. So it is kept little different, separate from the domain model. So that uses the domain model and allows the user to write queries in an efficient manner. So we'll see the details later section when we are looking at the example of a actual domain and how it is in working there. So the queries, also one interesting thing is you can implement your CQRS with much ease when you use this structure.